woman for Edo State. This woman, hi, disgrace. This woman now, as we talk, he get boyfriend. She get boyfriend. Recently, we come here say the husband use and take swear juju house. I don't know, juju with the house. Say if woman pull leg for bush. If the person wife go fuck another man, so you go come swear. So we come here for Facebook say this Julie London husband use and take swear. Say if another man don't ever climb her chest. This woman can't really swear. Una know wetin make me come talk for this matter. This man never married this woman. Eriok bia wa abuwa. Venik bia kpose. Abite boya ya muwa. Venik bia me plenty. I don't know why some women they suffer for men. Men plenty. Men where they go take una. Men where they go marry una. Men where they go respect una. Una not they marry them. They not marry anything. Na lie. They not marry. He said my guy. Come on, go listen to the video. He said my boyfriend. Where him nata? A Becky more. Okay. Where are they? Oh, where my guy? Where him? Go no Becky. Where man no sunu. They never marry. Julie London ni ye me. Okpoko mere ni ye. He said my guy. Ijime. Lareo. Then you know what me mother sound of any clear buse, any clear do buse. Why they are on a level, no care level, no. I bet Julie London, if you never married with that man, may you go marry, Mona marry. Kai, we get disgrace. Oh, we are no man go your walk when I have been in your one. Then in your one will give Vena Julie London. Then in your one will give Vena a boyfriend. No, this thing they shock me. This thing they shock me. Make the audio there for Facebook. This one not be say Edos, this the audio there Facebook. Julie London, oh where my guy. My boyfriend. When I have a boy, ya muya. Ah, we ya. Oya wa le look ya pak, banigele ogele aluya. Una go just see many women there, oya they do gabu gabu. If you see the way their boyfriend or their man they use them. It's Jimmy. When I love you, a love that I ever a your boyfriend. A love that I ever in your wife boyfriend. Easy man. And your wife boyfriend. Julie London. We're not both for Nigeria. Whether you have in your wife or boyfriend. You walk Jesus! Nothing where we not go here for Facebook. I said waiting. I said nothing where we not go here for Facebook. Even though say Julie London sleep with different men, je m'en fous. The woman gets money. Anything where she like, she use her body to do so make she not carry disease. Yes. If she like, she say for husband house, Julie London. You like, you don't say. You know concern anybody, but what if vex me be say, who be that man? Make that man, wanna bring picture. Who be that Julie London man? Who wear ya pay a pa? So, who will deal with a Julie London? Julie London, and you have to leave that man immediately. You get money, you get everything. Who wear suffer ba? Ik be wa reckon na pa no wa wunu e. No ga respect you we. No love you we. Wa mu. Eh? Wa mu. Eh? Tuna kwe mi. Uso kpia je webo. Uya mu kpia yo wa. Oh, yare me so you woni. Why muya? Why ya monorogwa? You people don't have how you don't have sense? When there is a boundary between Nigeria and Europe. Those people in Nigeria, they don't love you people. They hate you people with passion. They humiliate you people. Then they fool now. In where in many years they do that. As you dey Europe, you dey UK. Suffer carry man for there. Now the man I go even respect. Now the man know the stress. Where would they go? Where too often now they go through for UK there? You know carry. You can't go they carry all those one for Nigeria where they don't do juju well. Julie London. Piano mama go yo piano wa humiliate we. Piano ma do exist. Ona we ya venue wa. Menu were ni say, Julie London ni ye me. Poko me ge ni ye. Ije we wa mo say. O me do donate yo ije me. Nha we beria wa ri go yo. Because me wa do save we na. Me wa do save we na Julie London. Mo na go share this video to her. How you go there with man where they use you, Julie London? Man where they use you. That bad look or my marry way. On a move where are you boyfriend? We are very boyfriend. It be a boje, ori ma, ori ho, ori body. I prefer European men. I can never go to Nigeria and date a Nigerian man. God forbid. I fear them. Hey, men, why you mean I wake here? Or what real love? Oh, hey, oh, me for. Yeah, what so? Why were ya? Yeah, Megan family men. Una not they fear them. People, the men where they Nigeria, even though say they here, make the verse. Make una remove hands for bad thing. Una not like European people. Make una they like them because the suffer way they go through for this Europe. It's not easy. Make una not they do automokbo. Make una not they use them. Me men waya wa. Me men owan wa. Who was in Nigeria? Who said he kiss up be Nigeria? Who are ya me? Who are kiss up be Nigeria? Be Nigeria no yet no real boy ya hunune. Owan wa. Una not they fear. I tell una every time say Europe and Africa is a boundary. It's a boundary. Don't go there. Don't go there. Carry European man. The better pass. Una not the hear word. Ik be Africa. Na no go area. Nyaga ilowe. Where do na zombie zombie. Now be this now. This will not be zombie matter. I person go carry Julie London ni je me. Okpoko me ni je. Wari beri ya je me. No do spray nya me. Agbe me wa me de dos na ya asie yo. Mama, enegbe weta ma we na. Ime wa help we na. Okpe ani o wa lo we. Total no yo. Ya me akpa o. Julie London wo ire wa we phone. We phone. Okenu we na ya. Ekenu we na akpa we na ya ave boyfriend. Hey, o ma mare we, egbe ma he we, e ma do pa ma we family. Una ya. O ya gbe ya wa. Ya gbe we bo wa o. Walare. Ya gbe we bo wa. Ikwe we bo na e. Ya heme. Je Nigeria me family we. That one ke business, we okay business we. But can we can me ma I not all say Nigeria men no good. I not all say they're not good. Now the bad thing where they do the women and they vex me. Make una remove hand from bad thing. Make una no say these women they be una sister. Let them love you and you love them naturally. Remove hand from otumokbo. Love them. They have suffered. These your sisters. One are they maltreat for Nigeria. So they don't suffer well, bros. You not go understand. Anyway, any brother with the Nigeria, where use otumokbo for any woman for Europe, brother, your head not go see good. Your head not go see good. Now that woman, God, now go fight you. Yes, now so you rich. Huh? Una too they do bad. Inya wa en no ko no kewe borinya wa ekenebo se nya ya we. O tungwe we wa wo dana brother. Brother, what do you see for life? What did they stop? Bros? What do you see for life? If you jam European woman, you love her. That European woman self, If he even help you, you go carry acres of farm for village. Put workers when they work for you, brother. You go made. When I just want to they collect this Europe women money, they go they spray for party. They do anyhow. After now, that away like chicken. What nonsense? Julie London iye me. Okpoko mege ni iye. Iye. Hawe wato me. Waragbon. Ojeve uragbon re mi. Edogbe mi. Owe je. Na we waje na. Jesus, they have used you. They have used you. Edogbe mi ko na waje na. Iya oge for thank God for the social media. Julie London. Who get leave that man. Leave that man. If na church you just go, now make them they pray for your head. You don't finish, Julie London. Or where phone? Oh, we are not that way. You have any boyfriend. Era mahewe, ije mahewe, egboge mahewe, owa howe, owa mnyewe go where you have Julie London. Mabege we. See, bros, me I just tell you, not just can't do me anything for Nigeria. If I come Nigeria, you leave me alone because I know now say you go the plan for me. All the way better again. What for? What say me? I need. That to what you go yaza what the boy me dare bros. That to what support me. Or dafe Julie London na wa lwe bonne Julie London. Or dafe Julie London ni. Me ma wa dan hin. I ma te wa dan no rio boy me dan na wure. No make na lasi. Ogwe even o ma no we bodan. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? That's Julie London, a boyfriend of Julie London. China Eka, you know the hear word. Go, this boy, Umenwa, talk show. That boy, what they call Umenwa. May you go listen to Julie London. Then they together, I'll block you now. What do they lie? What confused the way. It was me at the person will come at the confusing. I for the roro. You deaf? Go a woman with that boy where you just did live video. Just they talk on news. You they talk everything. Go there. You go see and say Julie London call and explain everything. They. You with the boyfriend they. Ogume domia memni ate tage China eka. Ovie do ne o. Oboya ye nigbo ya riovan. Oje. Get out. Where are they just now? A boyfriend there, Julie London. The boy me down a worry. Your boy, because one day you go die, not today this life. If you want love Julie London, love her with your heart, not in the apple. If Julie London want help you, go help you. Bo wa webo gbebo down. Bo down where ya mo Julie London. Ona ya ve a boyfriend. A boyfriend Julie London we have. As I can't help you now, you know go sit or say Edos, give me your account number, me I to support you. If me want to help you when now, if no matter tamawe. Audio wanyak be yan le ya yan. Audio. He mere do mi we fana. Brother ni what deal with you? Bra Philip, na your mama there. Ogun boy. The one where there your body, don't have finish. Idiot. Me as I dey talk, so I get strength. My fans, they don't give me strength. You know if you donate for my mama burial. Me I do better. You can't dey talk for here. You enter my mind. You know the way I be. No sense you better. The one way they do for inside has this brother, this Philippe. Now big thing. Bonia we bodan. Philippi, God punish you. Who know whether this one never they use juju to carry a woman for Europe? God win, How much you don't donate for support? Ogun I will block you today. Not be for my platform. You call the talk. Wagging on Tata in London. Get out of here. Well, down. Fake account is down. Maybe this Godwin, I don't know this you London. Yeah. Emona na do agbenon. Hey, Philippi, unda. I don't cry, finish, Nana. You want me, I be die before. Oh, boy. Not be mama supposed die before me. Now just say she don't last. God punish you. Philip, how much you put for my account? Never bought la wegbe. Idiot. Come out from my platform. Say as person be. Now all these people, they do automokbo for Nigeria. If they jam me for Nigeria, if they kiss you, your own don't finish. Sister, your own don't finish. Eh? Ave sister na, ave Julie London, Una y'all get money, people they hear of una everywhere. Come on, make una secure one better boyfriend. Una not the do am. Una not the do am. Awa aga ekian. Later get social media igbagda. Say with one man you will have respect. Me, I don't like different men to touch my breast. For what? God forbid, I hate it so much. I like only one man. Anyway, that is your problem. Whether you like, you use your body to do anything what you want to do, not concern me those. The one way pay me say, when I have your boyfriend, Julie London. Una ya have your boyfriend. Well, I love you, Wanikina. After that, brother, don't stop all your money finish. When Orewebo, a brother, not Nigeria, not Africa. We're not life flat, we're not so selling layane. Okpiano Nigeria, not do aluwe. It's a shame, man. It's a wonderful shame. London. It's a wonderful shame. Me, if na me, I just prefer to carry. If I not go even carry man we get passport, I go just carry that one we not get paper at all. May God see bless me. Say yes, I don't see help one of my brother for Europe. Una not the do am. Wa me name be wa tie bonia. Etik binava na avenue. Ya mama no binania. Ya me name be ya tie bonia ya a local champion. The other one. You not know say if you carry brother will not get paper, you help your brother. God go bless you. And as so we must be if brother get paper, he help woman will not get paper. Now so God go sit bless that man. But they know they do am. But if they hear say their brother die inside because you not get paper, they cry. Oh, yeah. But they know they ever they carry them. They know they friend them. Never. They go say, if they give the paper, they will run. The one way the Nigeria where they do juju otumokbo for your head, unko. Where they do otumokbo for your head. Better otumokbo. Do you know that if you carry person for ban for Europe for you give a paper, the man can run. You don't know the kind blessing what God will give you for front. Because you have helped a soul. You have helped a brother. And after that brother can run leave you. Leave that thing for God, my sister. You go see the way God go to repair your life. That brother said you can't pay now. Later, you go say, why you run leave this woman that time? Me, I can do and not do. I will carry brother, I will give a paper, I go run, I go see carry again. Make it see run. I don't care if I me just a help brothers they go. Rather for the to the death for inside code, I prefer to the help them they go. When you are here. Now mother bury as a kill now. Now mama, mona see me see problem me I see block this one. You never put money for account. Mother bury a boy. Not let mama kill you. Mama not the talk where they are life. He make big. Oh agboa, leave me oh. Very udwe so you shut up your mouth. Mama I do this live so sit down with me for here. The yes so idiot. Leave me and mama. Mama self sit down for me. Sit down with me for here so because in spirit now. Leave me alone. White bell. One that they never put for my account. One that no come and say, it's so when you marry you. Una go sit die now. Everybody go die. Na swa de dwan o se looking wa ugweji. Okpia ni mkwaga gi me ba vegeni. Nwa na zuwa. Nne ni ma bokpia yero ovena. Nwa na agi mege. Okpia na me bemu. Ma vele no kpia ro ovena. Wa yi okwa. Use looking there then we calculate me there Facebook. Okpia na me be me move webuna. Ni ma wa yero today. Okay gba 4 years. Use looking no zuwa. Wele li me hia. Wait, tell me the dose. God bless you. Now so insult. Now they insult me. Fools. You say, look, it is I don't know you. Not you, they curse me, they go everywhere. See how my brother, all of them, they die for tent, for code. See Julie London. Yeah, muya. You say, looking, get out of here. Where my heme. If this I be all those people that they hail now, wicked people. Now for their front for this Facebook, now I carry man 4 years ago we not get document. Now me and the man see there today. I love him so much. They come they laugh me, they go Edo people. They come they say me Edo see you go carry man for camp, not the shame. Why not carry? Why? Me I can't carry man we already get paper. And men wait there for camp, then they die they go. They don't they carry them. They go they cause them. Say they will come take paper around. Well, you think you fit give person paper for abroad, you not go happy. God go bless you, in fact. God go bless you. You not go ever lack for your life. Because of that thing. You not go lack. The way God go say they bless you, you not go even know where the blessings they from they come. You say, oh my God. Because of that good way you do for your brother, for another man country, that make God they bless you. But that one don't run, they go. They run, they go. Leave and make they run, they go. Don't take paper. But God in heaven is watching. God in heaven will help you. Una no know. The man wait take documents where they run, they go. God go see punish him for front later. Of course. You don't know what you do for him. Yeah. They go they travel, they go Nigeria. Every 1 minute. They go they travel. Before you know, no. They don't reach Nigeria, they want to go fuck. What nonsense. Let the Nigerian people marry themselves. Let them marry themselves. Make them use juju for themselves. Una not get sense, so people with the Europe. Una not get sense, so. Hey! Oh God. If una know the kind eye where they take the look una wanna go Nigeria, una for know una self. They hate you people with passion. The people in Africa hate people in Europe with passion. They hate people in Europe with passion. Passion self. They don't want to see them. I wish una know, una for the enrage una self. Una for not go the thing ya. Una the rich Nigeria. Uwa ga thing ya. Wama ule tu ha onya ya wa. Onya ya call wa, Uwa ga uja ya. Uwa ga gbogwa yegbe. Now make you pay me when my mother die. When I go Nigeria, now my mom I go stay with for a back till I go come back to Europe. You not go ever see and say one brother I go block him for hotel. Marry Edos. God forbid. Now mama back I go just there. Now make he pay me. He pay me. See they pay me. I know they go Kada Plaza. I know they go anywhere. Mama, I go just off the day with them. Umie neni yovi a wake pa nedore. A wa mami je mo wa hian le ya hian. Now me without they sleep. Now they like that till I go come abroad. You not go ever see me for useless place. Nya ya call me. O se na mi je me na da me severio. I know see person when I will lie down for her back again. I no go talk say mama don't die. Make I carry on that person they do mama. Never. Awa. You have not born my real woman. I no go give person the gun where I supposed to give mama. I no give anybody. Lie. Imana me ya u. Ikion. A gun in your tevio ni I will sell them. I no give anybody. Say now your friend be this so take. I no give anybody. Lie. Oni ya haya ege no gboma eru kwoma. Iya mi na sen. Idi e no marokpa. E manitele liji me hia vege ni mete jemina. Iya mudi je me menaje ani ya. Iye me gira gbon ja enu. Uri me he mere Edos. Me I cherish Nigeria. Awa. My mother is dead. Iye ti de marokpa ya wi je me. Awa wagbona. Ife ko wa wogo me hia. So my people, my women wanna they abroad. Make una they marry for abroad. Now they hear so. What I use and take draw my ear for here. Make una they marry for abroad. Now they hear. Nigeria people, men they not go help una. Rather than go add to your problem. Udo ye re here. Udo ye twin when I get no via gwa my bazoe. They go the verse for me. Say this me they can they talk anyhow. Brother, remove her from batting for Nigeria. Make una they love people when they abroad. Make una they love